Hey guys, it's your girl Life of AB. So for today, naami karon sa House of Fries with another mukbang. I'm with Anya and Claire Andraya and the rest of Ismim core team. So big shout out to House of Fries for this wonderful opportunity. Labi kayo lang food guys. Very well cooked. Wala gidali-dali. Lagi lang mo. And feel yun mo nga na effort with love. And very safe ang ilang place din na sila yung mga filters installed and all of that. So stay tuned for the rest of the video.